Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on binary operation, n-ary operation and algebraic structure. Now we define binary operation. A binary operation or composition on a set A is a mapping F whose domain is A cross A and codomain is A. Here domain is A cross A and codomain is A and F be the mapping. Then this mapping is called binary operation. Here, if the element of the domain be of the form ordered pair AB, then image will be C. Here A, B, C all belong to A. Ordered pair AB belongs to A cross A, and this is domain and this is codomain. F is generally denoted by the symbol O. The image of AB under binary operation is denoted by AOB, and we speak A operation B, and this A operation B be the member of set A. We may denote this binary operation by other symbols like star, plus, dot, etc. Now we will give an example: binary operation on the set of natural numbers. Let set of natural numbers be denoted by n. Then binary operation on n will be a mapping whose domain is n cross n and codomain will be n. Here n cross n contains element of the form ordered pair AB. Here A, B belong to n and ordered pair AB belongs to n cross n. Its image is C and C belongs to n. If we take F as plus, then image will be A operation B means A plus B. If we take ordered pair 2, 3, 2 belongs to n and 3 belongs to n, and the ordered pair 2, 3 belongs to n cross n. And for F to be addition, the image will be 2 plus 3. That is F 2, 3 means 2 operation 3 means 2 plus 3. This is 5 and 5 belong to n. Since AB belongs to n and A plus B belongs to n, image of ordered pair AB is A plus B and A plus B belongs to n. That means for each element of n cross n, there exists a unique element in n. Therefore, addition is a binary operation on the set of natural numbers. Now we examine whether subtraction is a binary operation on the set of natural numbers or not. If F equal to minus, then image of ordered pair AB will be C equal to A operation B will be A minus B. Now we examine that whether A minus B belongs to N or not. If we take ordered pair 2, 3, then F of 2, 3 equal to 2 operation 3 equal to 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. This does not belong to N. So, image of 2, 3 will not a member of N. Therefore, subtraction is not binary operation on the set of natural numbers. Now, we take another example. Let Z be the set of integers and binary operation on Z is a mapping whose domain is Z cross Z and codomain is Z, and F be the mapping. If we take binary operation on Z as A operation B equal to A plus 2B. Now we examine that whether this is a binary operation or not. Here we take element ordered pair AB, then its image will be A plus 2B. Since AB belongs to Z and A plus 2B also belong to Z, therefore F of AB equal to A operation B equal to A plus 2B, then F is a binary operation on the set of integers. Binary operation is a mapping whose domain is of the form A cross A. That means A square. If we take domain as A cross A cross A cross dot 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 to n times, then domain will be A to the power n, and if codomain is A, then the mapping F whose domain is A to the power n and codomain is A, and this mapping F is called n-ary operation on A. We define this definition. Therefore, definition of n-ary operation is n-ary operation on a set A is a mapping F whose domain is A to the power n and codomain is A. If we take set of natural numbers in place of A, then domain will be A capital N to the power n and codomain will be n. Now we examine if F equal to plus, whether this is n-ary operation or not. In this case, we get elements of capital N to the power n is of the form x1, x2, dot 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 xn ordered n tuple, and element of n is, let A, then f x1 x2 dot 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 xn equal to x1 plus x2 plus dot dot xn equal to A belongs to n. Therefore, in this case, we get that plus is an array operation on the set of natural numbers. Now we define unary operation. In n-ary operation, we have seen that n-ary operation on a set A is a mapping F whose domain is A to the power n and codomain is A. When n equal to 1, then the mapping F gives the domain A and codomain also A. Here domain A and codomain A. And in this case, the mapping F is unary operation. Example. On the set of natural numbers, let F be a mapping defined on n into n such that f A equal to A plus 2. Here image is A plus 2. Since A belongs to n and A plus 2 also belong to n, therefore F is unary operation. Now we define algebraic structure. A non-empty set A with one or more than one n-ary operations, n equal to 1, 2, dot dot dot, is called an algebraic structure or system. Here the non-empty set is A, and we may take different n-ary operations that may be binary, unary, or any, n equal to 1 to n, and the set A with these operations dot 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 called algebraic structure. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.